Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how you can add the fade in and out effect on CapCut. So here what you need to do is just import a video and click on the video, go to animations, and for the fade in you can just click on the in and find the fade in effect. So this one's right here, and adjust on how long you want the fade in effect to last. For example, I want to set into 1.2 seconds, and just click on the check icon, and after that to add the fade out animations, just click on animation again, and now click on the out, and you can just find the fade out effect. And then here, the same as the fade in, you can also adjust on how long the fade out lasts in your clips. And after that, just click on the check icon, and here is the fade in and out effect on your video. Just like that. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you, but if you have any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.